wondered what the future of food looks like? From micro restaurants to heritage alcohol and functional drinks, the trends shaping 2025 are here to blow your mind. And today you, along with me, are getting an exclusive front row access to the hottest food and culinary event of the year. So this is where the future of food unfolds. Welcome to the Godrej Food Trends Report 2025.
For over 8 years now, the Godrej Food Trends Report has been leading the culinary conversation, and this year, it's bringing bold predictions and game-changing trends that will reshape how we eat, cook and drink in 2025. Hosted by Tanya Dubash of Godrej Industries Group, the evening promises to be as exciting as it is insightful.
I hope this report inspires you as much as it's inspired us. It's almost like a little handbook that's like a companion which people dive into whenever they want, and we're very proud of that today.
So this isn't just a report launch, it's an experience. Welcome to Feast for the Future, a one-of-its-kind immersive food theatre experience where the food that is going to shape 2025 came to life.
This is the food we left behind. Pickled roots and wild wine, shirmal and gatti Perugu flow where the winds of the Himalayas blow.
From culinary artists to techniques that highlight seasonality, this event brings the food of tomorrow straight onto your plate today. A 7-course meal crafted with Godrej Yummies, real good chicken and Godrej jersey? Yes, please. Who would have thought that ready-to-cook food could taste this gourmet?
So seasonality are where things are at in 2025, and this year's report is all about using fresh and local ingredients that are healthy, sustainable and bring us back to our roots, literally. Mahua and Toddy, traditional Indian spirits, are making a huge comeback with a modern twist. Think premium branding, creative cocktails and easier access, all bringing these ancient drinks back into the spotlight they rightly deserve. Well, I've been going on and on about the report, but ever wondered who's behind it? This year's Godrej Food Trends Report features insights from nutritionists, food critics, chefs, media professionals and even perfumers who came together to shape the future of food in India.
I think we've achieved a milestone in terms of bringing out the 8th edition of the Godrej Food Trends Report, which is a report which brings together industry veterans to think together, cross-pollinate ideas and get trends out around the theme of what India eats, what are going to be the new trends. This year's theme was seasonality, and I think it's coming back, and through that the 12 trends which have rolled out are worth noticing. I would urge every one of you to go to the vikrolikuchina.com site and download the report.
I was reading the report and it had some really good insights which I'll go back, read and also spread amongst my people. So in one word, if I have to tell how today was, it was super califragilisticexpialidocious. Thank you very much, Ji.
From seasonal dishes, heritage alcohol to immersive food experiences, the Godrej Food Trends Report 2025 is your ultimate guide to the future of food. I'm beyond excited to see where these trends take us, and I hope you are too. Until next time, this is me, Rohan Richard, signing off.